Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Nicole and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. A lot has been going on lately. We all know what's going on around the world. There's no need for me to repeat it, and plus I don't want to get demonetized. I just wanted to come on here and just chat with you guys with everything that has been going on, and what is it looking like in terms of the economy, in terms of job security, especially for us accountants. What is it looking like? Are we going to have our jobs in the future? Are we not going to have our jobs? Are we going to be able to overcome this? So if you want to hear about that, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you can join this growing family. My goal is to get us to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone who has been subscribing, and welcome to this channel for all of you new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying all the content. Thank you so much for all of the love and support you guys did show me on my birthday. I really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video, because I don't want you guys missing any videos from me. All right, let's get right into the topic. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and talk just briefly about what it's looking like. Yeah, so guys, there is so much uncertainty out there. Like, we really don't know what is going on. Obviously we know what's going on, but we don't know what the future holds. All I can say is just be strong, have faith, take heart. It's such an interesting time for every one of us. Like, I've been reading articles and following news here and there, and there are obviously, it's not speculation just because it is what the economic trend is, that due to all of the shutdowns and the lack of economic activity, that there is high probability that there is going to be a recession or maybe even a depression coming up after all of this is over, just because of the fact that people are not buying right now. Businesses are halted, things are stopped. So we don't know what the future holds. Like, a lot of people are going to be laid off, and it's just something that everybody has to prepare for. Now, how is it in the accounting industry per se? If you work at, I'll just say this now, if you work for a big four, starting off with public accounting, if you work for a big four or a mid-tier firm that has high revenue, you should be okay. Don't quote me on this because I don't really know what's going to happen, but just in terms of trends and analysis, you should be fine if you already work at these places. Now, for those of you who interned and gotten full-time offers, I am not sure what the future holds. I'm not sure for those who did get offers in, who got offers to start in the fall, if that is still going to happen. We're hoping and praying that it does happen, because obviously we don't want people to be without work. However, just with the recent events, everything has just completely changed. So even for myself, like, our firm has done really well, but obviously with accounting, you guys know that we get paid by the clients and the people that we audit. So if the people that we audit, if our clients are shut down, if they're not making money, obviously they won't be able to afford our audit fees, which either means one of two things. Either they're going to have to go with maybe another firm, or we're going to have to reduce our prices. And if we reduce our prices, obviously that is going to affect how our company's revenue is going to be, and how our salaries are going to be. So yeah, right now I do not expect for the upcoming months, I don't expect anybody to get any salary increase. I don't expect anybody to get promoted, or if they get promoted, they're not going to get the salary increase or any bonus that comes with the promotion. Just because of everything going on, and obviously we don't know how long it's going to take a while for the economy to recover from this tragic thing that's going on worldwide. Like, we have counterparts and component auditors and subsidiaries in China, in other parts of the world as well, that everybody's kind of at a standstill. Just be grateful for the situation that you are in, because it could be worse. I'm just grateful that we even have the chance to be able to work from home. I'm grateful that we have the chance that we can study remotely. Thank God for technology that able to connect us to the rest of the world. Like, with everything going on, I'm able to talk to my family who lives overseas, able to talk to my family in another state, you know, able to work with people in other states, and even my team that works with me, we're able to do things remotely. I'm gonna touch on this now as to how have we been working, how have I been able to work remotely. So obviously, knowing audit, there's days that you worked from home anyway, just because of the nature of the job. But obviously now we're like completely working from home. First of all, I'm just lucky and blessed to be able to work for such a great firm that obviously, even prior to everything being mandated by the government, our firm was already requesting that people work from home if possible. They've just been doing such a great job with ensuring that we are safe and ensuring that we have job security. So as of right now, my team, we do a daily call at 9 a.m. where we just check up and say where we're at, what we're working on. Everybody knows their task. Everybody knows what they have to do and what they have to complete. We're in constant communication with each other via Skype, or is it via Skype, and then we have each other's cell phone numbers. We could just talk to each other, call each other, text each other, whatever it may be. And with our clients, it's the same way. The people that we're working with, for our clients, they're able to still send us all the support that we need. We just request support as normal. The only difference is obviously when you have any questions, it's just a bit harder. You can't just walk over to your client's office. You can't just go bother them. Essentially, you need to send them a formal email or set up a time for a phone call. And with that, you don't want to bother your client every 5 seconds. So we need to go through our work efficiently and then generate a list of questions that we then go ask to them, so that way we're not bothering them, because they're also still trying to do their work even though they are helping us with the audit. So yeah, just been working from home, same hours. It's still busy season for me. I'm still working 10+ hour days, but obviously because I'm home, just trying to set up breaks in between to balance it. And for us, one thing I love about my firm, especially here where I work, is the fact that there is that trust system. Obviously, don't break the trust, but it's as long as you can get your work done, get your work done. And if you need help getting your work done, go ahead and reach out. Don't be that slacker. Like, working from home doesn't mean that you're on vacation. You still need to work. You still need to prove yourself. You still need to get your job done, because they are watching all of these things. And if you're that person that's always away without any justification, you're always inactive, obviously people are watching you and people are seeing that, and that could affect, if it comes to the point that they need to lay off people, you don't want to be one of the people being laid off because your team couldn't essentially trust you working from home. That's my spiel on that. And now I'm going to just tell you guys some ways you can be productive, how I've been trying to be productive while working from home and study. And I'm not really gonna say studying from home, because I'm doing online school anyway, so that's really not new for me. But just how I've been adjusting to working from home full time. Do I like it? Yes and no. It has its perks. I like that my husband and I, it's so funny, like, he'll be in a meeting, so we switch. Like, sometimes one of us will have a meeting out here in the living room, and then one of us will go in our room, and vice versa. But it's just been nice, obviously, connecting with him more, and seeing how he works too, and him seeing how I work. But would I do this 100%? I don't know. I kind of miss being in an office. I miss seeing my coworkers. I miss having that office, like, face-to-face interaction, which is a part of the job that I do. You know, a part of the reason why I went into this, because I love talking to clients, I love talking to people, I love talking in general. But enough about that. If you guys are not interested in the productivity tips, then you can go ahead and click that subscribe button before you close out of this video, and comment down below. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell. And if you do want to see some productivity tips, then keep on watching. Not in the office. So those are a few tips for you to be productive. Obviously,